Bonjour. Hello. My name is Sean Awesome. And welcome back to Would You Brother? Oh no, I'm sorry. Will you press the button? So here we go. You have a lifetime membership for watching Netflix and iFlix, but you'll have no money. No, I won't. $719 didn't press and 78 pressed. Love forever, but never be able to say anything else. That might be funny. Walking around, people are having a serious conversation, and then you walk by and say, lol, lol. Funny, but no. 74 didn't press and 14 pressed. You are hot, but Justin Bieber is the only one who is into you. Ew, no! Ha! 663 didn't press. These are fun. You will be the only person allowed to have an illegal animal as a pet, but this means you will never be able to live with the people you love or have friends over. No. 43 didn't press. You can remember everything in your life. That's not always a good thing. But your life is just a never-ending sorrow. No. Woohoo! Majority! 269 didn't press. Be able to watch your favorite series again and again with no memories of it, so you will be able to relive the experience, but revive constant spoilers from friends, family, the internet. No. 610 didn't press. You will get 8,000 wishes, but you'll die at the age of 30. No. 581 didn't press. You can always wish to die at the age of like 80, but actually that sounds foolproof. You will get infinite money, but you have to eat things that aren't food for breakfast each day. No. Oh, even 507. You can solve world famine, but charity companies will become corrupt and become for profit. No, people need to, if we solved world famine, the world would become overpopulated. I know that sounds awful, but it's the truth. You can become immortal, but you have to fake your death and go into hiding till everyone you once knew is dead. No. 668. What's a point in being immortal if you can go to people you once know and say, ha ha, you will die, I will live. Plus, death is necessary. Yes, yes. You will earn as much money as you want, but you can't play on any electronics ever again. Sure. Oh. I'm in the minority! 39 versus 141. Be the best memer in the world, but the memes do something to you when you're asleep. No. $721 didn't press. Okay. You can meet your favorite YouTubers, celebrities, but every time you talk to them, you say something incredibly awkward. Hell yeah. I mean, I say awkward things all the time anyway. And plus, we can have a good laugh about it. You can create anything you want and control that thing. You can do this as many times as you wish, but every time you fall in love, the person you have fallen in love with dies until you reject them. That sounds awful. Whoa, majority 462 didn't press. You can spell everything right. You always in any sentence mispronounce a word. It's mispronounced. So you already failed this question because you didn't spell it right. Not that I'm a spelling nerd or anything. Yeah, that sounds fun though. You rule the world, but you must spend a night of passion with Donald Trump once a week. Nope. And plus, I don't want to rule the world. I wouldn't even know where to begin. I can't even rule myself. While I can sort of, but I'm unpredictable even to myself. 109 didn't press. You will get $1 million in cash, but you will be able to spend only $5 per day. Well then, it will last me forever, but no. Like nothing costs just $5 nowadays. You are the richest person in the world, but you have to live with Donald Trump. No! Woohoo! I'm in the majority. 102. You will get I'll just say that's 10 trillion cents, but you can only say PPAP for the rest of your life. No. 17 didn't press. Okay, one more. You grow boobs, But every time you do something, they grow bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. No, I'm a man. Boobs on a man is a sign of overweightness. So, no. Well, that's it for this episode. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. I do 2 videos a day, 7 days a week. On weekdays, I post videos at 3 p.m. and 9 p.m. and on weekends at 11:30 a.m. and 4 p.m. And some days I'll sing. Twitter, Instagram, and Tumblr are in the description. As always, hit like if you liked it. Au revoir, goodbye.